Looking to take your productivity to the next level, discover game-changing Google Calendar tips and tricks that will revolutionize the way you manage your time, from seamless schedule to hiding features that will keep you organized. You won't want to miss this expert insights. Get ready to transform your calendar into a powerful tool for success. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Google Calendar. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into calendar.google.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Google Calendar is a web-based application developed by Google that allows users to create, manage, and share events and appointments. It offers features like reminders, task management, integration with other Google services, and the ability to collaborate with others. Users can access their calendars from various devices, making it a convenient tool for organizing personal and professional schedule. So right now I will show you some tricks and some tips that you have to do if you want to know more about Google Calendar. So here we have firstly the menu, as you can see. So here we have the platform. You can just click over the one you want. Here we have in the blue the day that we are right now. So this is Friday, all right. So then we have here, if you click on here, you will find here the thing that you want. For example, if you want to create such as event, task, appointment, schedule as well. So for example, for event, you can just add a title here. If you want event, you have to select here, for example, which day you can. It's going to be start on Friday, October, for example, at the time, for example, 11 o'clock, and it will end on Saturday, October 19th, for example, at, for example, 12 o'clock, as you can see. Then you select here if it's all day, or you set a time zone also here. You separate start and the end zone, as you can see. This is it. Then here we have does not appear, does not repeat. For example, daily, you choose weekly on Friday, monthly on the third Friday, annually on October 18th. Then we have every weekday, Monday to Friday, or custom as well. Then we have here if you want to find a time. Alright, so here we have find a time if you wanna, for example, add Google Meet, add guests, we have also add location, add description if you want. So also if you want to add a Google Drive attachment, for example, here you select the color that you select event color, and here we have you select if you are busy or free, and then you select default visibility if you are, for example, public or private. Then also we have the how much time before, for example 5 minutes before, and you add a notification 10 minutes before also, and you add another notification if you want. So this is it for this one, and you click over save. All right, this is for event, as you can see. Then we have here also tasks. So about the task, you can just add a title firstly, then you select the time that you want, for example, October 19 at 11 o'clock. Then we have you select if it's all day, or you can select also daily or weekly on Saturday, monthly on the third Saturday, annually on October 19, every weekly and custom as well. Then we have here for a description, and here we have my tasks also. Then you click over save. All right, then we have other options, which is appointment schedule. So about this one, you can just firstly add a title here, appointment duration, for example, if it's 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1.5 hours, 2 hours. Then you select here general availability, set when you are regularly available for appointments. Then here we have if you want to does not repeat weekly or custom as well. Then here we have you select Sunday, Monday, or select the one you want. For example, you can just add another period to this day or copy time to all. Then we have here, for example, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and we have here Friday and Saturday as well. Then you can just also schedule on Windows. Here set 16 days in advance to 4 hours before, or you can just select here also adjustable availability, indicate times you are available for specific dates. Also, we have here booked appointment settings. For example, here we have managed to book appointments that will appear on your calendar. So for example, buffer up time, you can just add time between appointment slots. Then we have maximum bookings per day, limit how many booked appointments to accept in a single day. For example, select 4 days, or select here how many time. All right. Then here we have you choose to guest permissions. For example, here we have guests can invite others. After booking an appointment, guests can modify the calendar event to invite others. So you can just click over here if you just give them the permission to do that. Then we have here calendars. About this one, you can just check calendars for availability. For example, if you have bookable times won't be available during any event created or accepted on my name here, calendar. Then here we have connect more calendars here, link multiple calendars to avoid scheduling conflicts, get this and more with a Google One Premium plan. So here we have the calendar and also booked appointment settings. Then we have adjusting availability and scheduling window. All right, so this is it for this one. So you can just get started, and here we have done with event, task, appointment, schedule as well. So here we have also select the month that you want. For example, we have in November, December, January, for example, and February. I will select, for example, 6 on February 2025, and it will be a per day like that. And you have just to get started and put it here to remember all this, or your birthday of your friends, or some events, or something that's special for you, so you can just get started as soon as possible. All right, then we have here, and if we scroll down, we have my calendars here, and we have here other calendars. All right, for example, holidays in Morocco or holidays in USA as well. Or you can just, here we have show side panel, or in the right we find here other things like we have here kept. So for example, you can add note. You can just write the title of the note and you write what is the thing that you have to do, and you click over done. Also, you can just pick this note, or you can also, here we have other options menu here if you want to archive or delete as well. So this is for the notes. Then we have here kept. So about this one, you can just add a task. Here you click over add task, you title this task, you give a title, then you select if it's today, tomorrow, or you select here the date. All right, then we have here also contacts. Then we have here also maps. All right, then also you can get add-ons here. So you can just here select the filter that you want. All right, then here we have also, you select other things if you want to search for something, support certain menus, and we have here to, if you want to select week, day, month, year, schedule, 4 days as well. Then we have here also, if you want switch to tasks, if you want to switch to calendar if you want, and here we have Google Maps. So this is the Google's account that we have here. All right. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.